something blue. Bang. Smell burning. Something blue in the computer. No idea what it could have been. Been sat there a month. Is it the power supply? Was it the graphics card? Power supply is warm but not hot. What is it? Try plugging in again. Power supply might have popped. That's all I need was working. I lowered the limits on the graphics card. Went off. All the mains went off. So plug into that socket. Short circuit. Might need a power supply. Bugger. The big bang noise. I don't think it's the socket. I think it's the computer. Is that on? It's tripped. Is it this? Maybe there. It's causing it to trip. Unplug the computer, just leave the monitor. So this computer worked fine for over 5 years, and I've not used it for maybe 4 months because I bought a new one. So I was going to give it to someone else, just cleaning it up, plugged it in, using it for about 5 minutes, and the power went pop, as you can see in the video. It just went pop, and every time you plug it in, it made a loud bang noise, like a pop sound, pop, like a Smell Electrics. I think what I think is the power supply is gone for some reason. It chose to go now. I don't know what's the short circuit, what, it just fluke, but every time you plug it in now, it trips the main and there's no sign of life. And it did work for maybe 5-10 minutes. Got no idea what. Suddenly it must have been heating up and it just popped. This is not March, April, May, June, July. 5 months is not being used, just sat. Now I've got to get a new power supply, cheap one. Yeah, extra cost for no reason. It probably is the power, well, can't imagine it being anything else. They don't have a power supply lying around. That's reliable. I don't want to put an old one in. That'd be even worse. Just to get a brand new power supply. Is 6 years old. This computer's about 6 years old, so the end of its life. Corsair power supply, Corsair case. So all the plans are giving it to Sammy. They've gone out the window now. I need some work. Dear. So if your computer suddenly makes a pop noise and the fuse gets flipped at the main, then it is power supply. Like I say, I did plug it in on its own, not with this extension, and it flipped the circuit. So the power supply, it will be the power supply. I don't know why now it's been sat there 4 months unused. Maybe it's used to being on, used daily before, now not used and gone kaput. That's the sure fire sign of a power supply. Now I'm gonna have to go and buy one and put it in, and hopefully it will work. But it's just an extra cost for an old computer. 40-50 pound, 40 pound. I'll try and get a cheap one. Yeah, 450 watt, that should be enough. Underclock, yeah, it's not going to run hot. Yeah. Reduce the number of drives in it. It was a 750 watt power supply, Corsair 750, so it's Corsair. I can open it up and have a look. Yeah, it is Corsair RM750, and it just chose to die. When I heard the pop, I could smell electricals burning. Can't now. I suspect it's the power supply, strongly. And every time I plug it in, mains go off when I plug in. I tested it first. See if it's the extension. It's not the extension because it worked. The monitor came on, then I plugged it directly into the mains and all the sockets went off. There you go. If your computer makes a loud pop noise and you smell burning and the fuse flips, the circuit breakers flips, then it's your power supply. It's gone. It wasn't under load. But for 5 minutes I even underclocked it in BIOS slightly, the CPU. So I'm just going to look to see if it is the power supply and not something else. How can you tell? Well, what's probably popped is a capacitor. So if I see an exploded capacitor on the motherboard, I know it's that. So far I'm not seeing anything. Looking at the capacitors, there's one there, 5 over there, couple there. If you don't know what a capacitor is, those large cylinder things that's sticking up. So it does look like it does look like it was the power supply that popped rather than the motherboard, so replacing the power supply should do it. Fortunately this one's out of warranty, I think 5-year warranty. It's, like I said, 6 years old. So one thing you should do is just check your motherboard if there's any signs of something going pop, like debris, the insides of a capacitor spewing all over the place. And I cannot see any debris that you would see from an exploded capacitor. No? So that's a good sign that it is the power supply. So that's a tip for you. Just go over, check to see if there's anything, the insides of a capacitor will probably be black tar substance. So you'll be able to see if it's exploded. Nope, no, I'm not seeing anything. I'm not going to open up the power supply, but it's probably something in there that's popped. Say it's over 6 years old, out of warranty, unfortunately. So it's a new power supply for me.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Yeah, hey, hold it. Yeah, the reflection.